We live in times of great change. A time of concerns and challenges, but times of incredible opportunity too. Because the energy revolution is here. And everyone, to the last person in this room, has a unique role to play in the world's transition to cleaner energy. We must find a way to deliver affordable energy access and security for our communities. And we must create a cleaner, safer, and more equitable world for the next generation, and all the generations to come. Within this revolutionary story, the oil and gas and industry sectors will play a key part. That's why we are in the room today and part of COP27. Across the world, over 750 million people still lack access to simple electricity. 600 million in Africa, and many more people are living in poverty. The trilemma of providing affordable, reliable, and clean energy while tackling climate change is complex and sometimes divisive. Near-term energy security is also fundamental, particularly at the present time. Yet energy transition is here to stay, and gas will play an important part in the transition. With its proximity to Asia, Africa, and Europe, the Eastern Mediterranean is already establishing itself as a strategic hub for delivering the world's energy needs. Egypt, host of this year's COP, has become pivotal within the region and has already undertaken decarbonization initiatives with a renewed focus on powering the surrounding regions with reliable, responsible, and sustainable energy. The road ahead will be paved with the partnerships that we form and the agreements that we make, because no one travels this path alone. One shining example of productive partnership is the East Mediterranean Gas Forum, as evidenced by the signing, earlier in 2022, of the trilateral agreement between Egypt, the EU, and Israel for gas supply to Europe. One of the key initiatives was the development of a decarbonization report for the East Mediterranean region. As COP27 is an implementation COP, a best practice example led by the US and Egypt has been the private-public sector coalition to decarbonize all existing Egyptian oil and gas facilities. Best practice like this is replicable, not only across the East Mediterranean, but globally. Other successful examples, led by the industrial sector in Egypt, include enhancement of the electrical and thermal energy efficiency of large factories and increasing the use of solar PVs. A global collaboration example is the SwitchMed program, which the industrial sector in Egypt has implemented. These actions resulted in significant resource savings and emissions reduction. Here, today, at COP27, everyone has a chance to think about and reaffirm their commitments to combating climate change and building a cleaner energy network. Our discussions will produce outcomes to address the mobilization of finance, access to technology, and capacity building to accelerate energy transition. Let's make things happen.